1981. That's pretty cool. What's up?
You won't be lonely today.
Thank God.
Everybody showed up.
You know who that is?
Elmo.
Yeah. Giving him a clothing burial. Oh no. What do you got to say for yourself?
They got a name on them. I don't know if they're any good. Apparently some drumsticks have some value.
Yeah, I don't think it's these, but
Well,
I'll check it out. Where were you yesterday?
well,
I demand answers at once.
Got into my car at 8:30,
Yeah?
and on the display it said my right rear tire was low. It was 27 pounds instead of about 35 or 36.
Yeah.
So I took it to Discount Tire on 31.
Okay.
3 fucking hours later, I got it back. So 9:30, that was 12:30. So then I had to go to the grocery store,
Yeah.
and then I had a dental appointment at 3 o'clock for 6 months cleaning. So that totally screwed up the day.
Well, I was disappointed yesterday,
More than that.
but it sounds like you were more
They
disappointed.
already told me that,
I was sad.
yes.
Nobody was here. It was just me. I'm gonna get all the purple stuff. Purple, purple, purple. That's purple, I guess. Yeah, that's purple. 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 Oh man. Purple. Yo.
Looking for one color.
Purple. All right. I think I've got everything purple off here. Purple. Oh, missed this one. And this one.
What are you doing?
Collect. I'm
Junk collecting today?
putting all the purple shit down there
Why?
because I'm bored.
What are you doing?
I told you. Stop talking about me, damn it. I put all the purple stuff on the end down there.
Yes, you did.
You guys didn't help me at all.
One eternity later.
You screw these two pieces together.
Off a fine thread.
Yeah.
Huh? It doesn't screw? There we go.
There it is.
Okay, now we got a big tube. Does it like, can you pull it? Look at that, it's a straw.
One eternity later.
She put a slice in a sandwich bag. He would close the end of the bag and squish it and squeeze it into his mouth.
What?
One eternity later.
Let's see what we got. Everybody's hungry. Everybody's ready. Look at all the tapes. What we got on these? Wrestling, Jerry, Terminator 2.
It's chicken.
That's a big one. That's pretty cool. Yes.
Oh, I don't think it is.
No. That's definitely different. Is it any better down here? No?
Yeah, compared to what? No would be the answer.
They're making this not very fun today.
No, they are. They're very slow.
Yeah.
Very slow. Kind of makes you want to say forget it.
Yeah, just go home. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Look at that. Seth Thomas clock. Is that good?
Can't remember. I want to say 40s.
Looks like it's in decent condition. What is this?
Look at the back of it.
Yo, that's gnarly.
It is in decent condition.
Yeah.
One of mine just burned out.
Busted. Busted on the back?
Is it?
No. There it was. Let's take a look at it. I don't remember it being valuable.
That is sick.
Nothing.
Where was that?
I'll see you tomorrow.
You're leaving?
That's what I like about you. You pick up on things quickly.
Well,
The answer is yes.
well, you said that 10 minutes ago and you're still here, so they're about to open 2 and 3.
Yeah, in my lifetime.
If you don't want it, I'll take it. But you probably should sell. You can probably sell that.
I'll check it out.
Okay. So I saw one price. I saw it's 20 to 150 bucks, all over the place.
They wanted $3.99 at the store. Yeah, I'll check it out.
Yeah, like I said, you got the key on the side. That's
Yeah.
the key.
Larry, can I wrap you up in this?
No.
See you tomorrow.
All right, take care, Bryce.
Have a good movie.
Yeah, hopefully it's fun. All right, y'all, we got out of there. It was a very long day in there. Rotations were very slow, and the finds were few and far between. But we got out of there spending $21.07, so let's get into it. First up, I got a couple of these little electronic gadgets, dongles. I think I saw like 20 on that, 30 on this, just random little things. Ended up picking up this Viewmaster with this little carrying case for the film. This thing right here alone sells for like $18. So this is probably, you know, at least 23 bucks, I would assume. Picked up that Goosebumps VHS tape and the Cat Dog one. Cat Dog got a little wet from something, so hopefully this slip dries out, but very excited to find some Cat Dog. And you guys know I had to pick up this evil as shit pumpkin. This guy is gnarly. Just overall, really dig the look of this, and probably gonna hold on to this one. And then I ended up picking up that Seth Thomas mantle clock. I really didn't want to buy this, but it kept coming back to me. I tried to give it to Bob. Bob grabbed it, and then Bob gave it to me, told me to look it up, and I figured it had some value, but I didn't really want to mess with it. But it looked like this thing was, you know, at least 200 bucks, 150 bucks, 150, 200, if it works. For parts, I don't know. I don't really know what to expect out of this. Since it was such a slow day, I ended up grabbing it, and I gotta make sure I get this listed as soon as possible, or it's just gonna be sitting around forever. All right, and with that, I'm gonna go watch Toy Story 5 with my kids, and hopefully have a nice little afternoon, and try to hit it again tomorrow. But until then, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.